Hi, welcome to the Waldorf Astoria, Las Vegas, a 47-story luxury hotel and condo building in the middle of the Las Vegas Strip. The property was formerly the Mandarin Oriental, then converted to the Waldorf Astoria, Las Vegas in August 2018. This is the entrance, where they have Christmas-themed decor, like this tall reindeer. Moving up to the 23rd floor, this is the Sky Lobby, which also has Christmas-themed decorations and is scented with what Waldorf calls Urban Iconic, my wife's favorite fragrance to date. Adjacent to the front desk is the Tea Lounge, where they host an English afternoon tea service with a floor-to-ceiling view of the Las Vegas Strip. The tea service is $69 per person, which includes your choice of freshly brewed tea, tea sandwiches, scones, and dessert. My favorite items were the ham sandwich, which was unbelievably soft, and the cranberry macaron. Next door is the Sky Bar. They are open in the evening, so we will return when they're open, but this is what it looks like during the day. Okay, we are back in the evening when the Sky Bar is open. The view of the city lights from the Sky Bar makes for a very unique experience. The pricey bar food and drinks, not so unique, but the sliders were pretty good. Moving down to the 8th floor, this is the fitness center. It has cardio and strength training equipment, chilled towels, bottled water, and fresh fruit. The gym is on the smaller side because there is dedicated space for private fitness, yoga, and Pilates classes. Outside is the pool deck. This is the main pool. Unlike most pools that are rectangular, this one is long and narrow. For extra privacy and amenities, there are cabanas with a complimentary minibar available for rent. On the 3rd floor is Zen Cafe, which serves American grab-and-go breakfast and lunch items like coffee, juice, pastries, parfaits, salads, and the like. Immediately next to Zen Cafe is Zen Kitchen, which serves seasonal American cuisine. This is a picture of Zen Kitchen from Waldorf's website, as I didn't want to disrupt others in the restaurant with my filming. Zen Kitchen is open for breakfast and lunch daily, but open for dinner only Wednesday to Sunday. When we went, we tried their smoothies, keto omelet, and $17 avocado toast. When getting out of the elevator on floors 9 to 22, this is what the hallway looks like. The combination of white walls, glossy hardwood, and glass chandeliers give a sense of elegance and luxury. Notice the skinny valet door next to the front door. I will talk more about this in a bit. This is a junior suite. These panels of buttons control the lights and the do not disturb status. To the left of the entryway is the bathroom. Over here is the rest of the bathroom with a really long vanity with space to do makeup, 2 sinks, lots of drawers, and storage for towels. On the right is the bathtub and the shower. The shower has a handheld shower head, which is super convenient. Next to the bathroom is a walk-in closet. This is the bedroom. This is the view of the Las Vegas Strip facing north from the 16th floor. In the corner of the bedroom is a workstation. In the entryway, there is a countertop with an Nespresso coffee machine. In the left cupboard is a mini fridge. In the right cupboard are wine glasses, highball glasses, Nespresso pods, and coffee accessories. The skinny door on the right of the main door is the valet door for employees to drop off items in a secured and contactless manner. Here is a demonstration of the panel of buttons that control the lights and curtains. The buttons were a little finicky at times and required a lot of pressure for use. I wanted to mention two quirks of the hotel. First, their dual elevator situation. There is one set of elevators that goes between floor 1, 3, and 23, which connects the ground floor lobby, Zen Kitchen, and Sky Lobby, Tea Lounge, and Sky Bar. Then the second set of elevators goes between floors 3 to 23, which connects the hotel rooms to everything except the ground floor. It seems a little awkward having to take two elevators to go outside the hotel, but maybe it is a subtle way to get guests to spend more time and money on Waldorf's dining, fitness classes, spa, and shops. The second quirk. Unlike the vast majority of big hotels on the Las Vegas Strip, Waldorf Astoria Las Vegas does not have a casino. Foregoing the casino allows Waldorf to focus on more luxurious and wellness-minded offerings. Okay, that is all for the tour of the Waldorf Astoria Las Vegas. Thank you for joining.